Skurlock, and I work as an RA with the ECHO network through UNBC. Today I'm going to show you how to create a shapefile in the IWRG portal as well as download it. So I've already logged in, as you can see on the screen. The first step, I'm going to click on the Map Tools drop-down menu. I'm going to click Add a Layer. I'm going to select Drawable Layer and give it a custom name. Now I have a choice between three types of points. The first point is self-explanatory. It's literally just a point on the map. It's relatively small, so it's really useful for pinpointing an exact location, for example, a First Nations band office. The second option is a line. So this is useful if we wanted to indicate a point A to point B, for example, if we were recording our hike. And then finally, the third type is a polygon. So we can create any shape using the polygon, and we can put this shape anywhere on the landscape on the map. So an example when you might use a polygon type is if you wanted to capture a specific area of the watershed or a specific area of a reservoir where a study was conducted. And then finally, on this form, we're going to click on Attribute Template. For now, I'm going to leave it as empty point, but depending on your specific project, you might have an option there for you. I'm going to move this out of the way a little bit. Finally, I'm going to click Add to Map. So now I've created that layer. I need to locate on the portal where I'd like to physically drop the point. It might be helpful to use Google Maps on another browser just to locate exactly where you're needing to zoom in. But right now I'm in Kelowna working from home during COVID, so I'm going to drop it on a point on a hike right near my house that's just a really beautiful viewpoint. So I've located where I'm wanting to drop the point. I'm going to go back to Map Tools. I'm going to click on Draw Vectors. I'm going to click Select Editable Layer drop-down menu and my layer name, Start Edits, and now I can click on the pencil and you'll see this blue dot here on the screen. So this is where I'm going to drop that point. So I'm going to drop it right here. I'm happy with it. I don't need to use the eraser feature to erase the point. I don't need to reposition my points. Most likely you'd only use this if you were doing the line or the polygon options for types of physical points, and I don't want to erase my my physical point. So I'm going to click Done, click on the X here, and now our point is on the map. To download the shapefile, I'm going to go back to Map Tools, click on Download, pick a layer. There we go. The name on this form will automatically fill in once you've chosen the layer. And the format I'm going to download in is the ESRI shapefile. Click Download. Give your computer a few moments, and then we can see here that we've downloaded a zip file, which we can then import or export wherever we need. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful.